Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this rally red 1 litre Civic SR. Now of course, as standard on this facelift, you do get full LED headlights, LED fog lights and 4 front parking sensors. You do also then get these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern on each and every one. But moving around to the rear now, you'll also notice you get 4 rear parking sensors along the rear bumper. You do also then get a reversing camera just up at the top, just there, which makes this thing an absolute daddle to park. We've then got plenty of room in the tailgate area, as you can see just there. You've then got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats that fold flat with this level just here. You've then got a pull-over privacy shelf, as you can see, which marries up with this visor just here to make sure there is maximum privacy in the tailgate area in there for any belongings that you want to keep in the tailgate. You've then just showing you the rear wheel just here. In the back of the car now, we do have your cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. We've got full electric windows all round, and of course, all of which are automatic. Jumping inside the car now, as you can see, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've then got your ECON and your stop start on and off. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox with dual climate control in the front, which can be operated via the touchscreen display. Within this display, you have your satellite navigation. We've got your audio sources just there. And then of course, we've got your Bluetooth hands-free. Over to the steering wheel now. On the left hand side, we've got your volume, onboard computer, voice assistant and Bluetooth hands-free. These arrows here do work between the infotainment system and your onboard computer. We've then got cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side with your lane keep assist and distance control. We've got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 10,273 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this 1 litre Civic, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.